Well, hello. I'm excited about this recipe. Welcome back to Cooking at Anne's Kitchen. I'm your host, Anna, and today we're going to make a Mexican bean dip. You guys know I'm Jamaican, and I know nothing about bean dip, but my mother-in-law introduced me to this, and the first time I had it, it was a hit. So, you have to serve this at your next party, and trust me, everyone's gonna love it. We have black beans, Mexican corn, tomatoes, scallion, vegetable oil, a red wine vinaigrette, salt, and I like to spice things up, so sriracha. So let's make this dip pretty, because if you're having a party, you want everything to look so put together. Add some chips, add some fresh mint, and serve it like a professional event planner. So there we have it, guys, a delicious Mexican dip. Serve this at your next party. And guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Till next time, enjoy!